In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Instagram World Cup search tab. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged in. Instagram has introduced a dedicated World Cup search hub that brings tournament-related content together in a one convenient place. Head over to the Explore page. Now type in keywords like World Cup, FIFA or World Cup into the search bar. In the search results, look for the dedicated tournament destination or official World Cup related tag and tap it to enter the hub. Once inside, you can explore multiple content categories tailored for football fans. Browse reels and stories to watch match highlights, goal compilations, behind the scenes footage, and tournament updates. You can also follow content from official broadcasters and national teams to stay informed with the latest news, announcements, and exclusive coverage. In addition, the hub showcases fan generated content from supporters around the world, allowing you to see real time reactions, celebrations, predictions, and discussions as all 104 matches unfold. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.